Hey guys, let's unbox this Blink outdoor camera. I have here the camera and also the sync module. So basically you can just install your camera outdoors, sync with the module and start using, right? It comes with 2-year battery life and also enhanced motion detection and person detection, okay? Let me just open the box here and see what's inside. There we go. I see the camera already here. Small one, pretty nice. There we go. Here's the logo. There's an LED here and the lens in front of the camera. Here I have some type of speaker, I think. You can check that later. And here you can just use to mount the camera and also open the camera and install the battery. And let me just open this. See here you can connect the cable to power the camera. There we go. Let me just close this. And let me just see what else I have here. So here probably the accessories. There we go. Yeah, this is the mount. So you can basically use this one to mount your camera. You just grab this one and you mount here, right? You put it here and you're gonna snap into place. Let me just try to do it right now. There we go. There we go. Snap here into place and then you can remove it. And you just need to install this first using the screws and anchors and then you mount into place like this. Snap into place just like so, right? You can also remove this back. So super simple. And also here come with this. That's used to remove here. You can just use that way to remove. You just unscrew here and screw back. You can also remove here the case or the, like this, right? You can just unscrew and then remove. Super simple. Comes with the batteries already, 2 of them. Energizer. There we go. I don't know what is this. I can open this later. Some accessory here. Just open this box as well. Oh, here's the sync module. There we go. See here, Blink. You can just sync with your camera. This one is different from the previous generation. There is no way to insert a card on this one, right? An SD card. What else we have here? Another box. Let's just see what's inside. Okay, the cable and the power adapter. Just try removing from here. Let's just pull it out. There we go. An adapter, okay? So super simple. Everything here is easy to install and make it work. Where's the user menu? There we go. It's here on the bottom, right? There we go, Blink Outdoor Quick Start Guide. It's not a user menu, it's just a quick start guide. Where is the information? Whoa, it's just written stuff. Yeah, basically you need to download the Blink Home app. It's here the information. You just point your cell phone to this QR code and you add your device and you can sync with the sync module. And then you repeat the steps to add more device into the system. There's a lot of information here about safety and stuff. No pictures, just a quick start guide that you can start from your cell phone, and from there you can see the information for the installation, right? Of course, there's a camera that you can install and watch from your cell phone, right? And I hope this helps. If you can get yours on Amazon, and later you can come back and watch the other videos for the installation and setup. So leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one.